Hey my Nchanteds, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Stephanie here to stephNchanted. Now I know it's been a hot minute since I last uploaded and I am so sorry about that. But for today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. As you can tell, I have nothing on my lips, and that's because I know what's in this box. I got an email about it, so I'm just going to share with you guys. I'm doing an unboxing and a first impressions and of course a demo on how to use it. And it is the Rimmel, you guys can see that. It is the Rimmel London influencer Voxbox. Now, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I'm part of Influenster. Influencer is a community. It's a free community, and so if you guys want to sign up for free, be sure to check the link down below. I'll have all the information there, and so let's just get started. So it's two products, and it says the Rimmel London Go for the Bold. It says satin or matte, we've got you covered. It says stay satin liquid lip color, lightweight satin finish for up to 8-hour wear. Or the stay matte liquid lip color, bold matte lip color that lasts up to 12 hours. Wow. So they gave me both lippies. This one is the stay satin. This is in the shade, it is in the shade For Sure 430. It says stay satin. And it's in the shade For Sure. But I'm just gonna make a quick swatch. Oh, that's a pretty color. Now this one is a Stay Matte. This one's a Stay Matte liquid color, and this is in the shade 810 Plum This Show. So let's do a quick swatch of this one. Oh, I'm excited. This one is the matte, the Run This Show right here. There's the matte and there's the satin. You guys know I'm already drawn to the matte. I'm going to swatch both of them on my lips, and then I'm going to leave on the matte, because I do want to do a lip wear, and I'll come back vlog style and show you guys the lip during the day. I'm gonna try the satin first. Pigmentation is there, I'm not gonna lie. I will say I am impressed with the pigmentation. Like, it is like, it's there. Pigmentation is there, and I didn't have to go back into the actual tube when as I took the applicator out. I only used the product that's on the applicator, which is really good because sometimes I have to go back and forth. I do like the actual applicator. I like that I can line my lips and have like nice clean lines. I don't have to go in with like a lip pencil or like a lip brush. Sometimes I do have to go with the lip brush because sometimes the applicator is a little flimsy, but this one really isn't that flimsy. I mean, I still have like, I feel like I still have control over it, and so I do like that. And it is a pretty color, I'm not gonna lie, it is a very pretty color. It's not sticky at all, which I like. Sometimes other finishes on liquid lipstick, sometimes if they're not matte, they feel sticky to me, but this one doesn't feel sticky at all. Let's just do, see, transfers. Alright, I'm gonna take this off and come back and do the liquid lipstick, the matte liquid lipstick. Alright guys, I'm back. I took the satin lipstick off. Now it's time for the Stay Matte. That pigmentation, yo. Now that is pigmentation. Again, I didn't have to go back into the actual tube to get more product out. All this product is what was on the applicator to begin with. I will say, in the mirror, and I can tell on my viewfinder that some parts are darker than other parts. don't know if you guys can see that. Especially like right here, look. Do you see that? That looks a darker spot? And over here doesn't look as dark. Now, you guys know that between these two shades, I love both shades. I think they're beautiful shades. But I do love the matte more. I will say that the satin was much more easier to apply. Again, I just used whatever product that was on actual applicator for my whole lip. And it was like much more of an even coating. With this one, as you saw after my first coat, I did see like some places were a little lighter than others, and so I went on with another coat. I'm still seeing a little bit of like unevenness with the coating, but we will see. Maybe it looks different when I'm outside in natural light and things like that. It is 1:43, if you guys can see that. It is 1:43 p.m. I am going to be updating you guys throughout the day and let you guys see how it looks. I'll let you know how it feels and things like that. And I'm going to be, you know, eating foods and drinking liquids with this liquid lipstick, and I want to see if it stays on or not. So, yes. So for now, that's it. Oh, wait. I forgot to do the transfer test. Again, not sticky at all. So let's do this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, transferred a little bit. If you guys can see that right there. This one is the satin, and this one is the matte right here. Transfer a little bit, so we will see. Again, I have my son with me, so if he puts his hands on my lip and it smears, I'll let you guys know, and I'll let you guys see it for yourself. And so that's it for right now. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. So it is 4:06. You guys can see that. 4:06, so it's been a little bit over 2 hours since I last applied this. I think it's 2 hours. Yeah, a little bit over 2 hours. Here's how it looks. Still pretty good. Like, right here, I feel like it's a little patchy. Like, it's not the same intensity as it is over here. You guys can see that, right? Maybe it's just my lips. But I did eat something and I did have a drink, and so far so good, I think. I still love the color. I'm in love with this color, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, and my son is right there. Marcelo, say hi. Say hi. But yes, so I'll come back later on and update you guys on the lip. Hey guys, so it is 6:28. I don't know if you guys can see that. 6:28. So it's been almost 5 hours since I first applied the lipstick. To be honest, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty darn good. Like, the pigmentation's still there. It's not like running off or anything like that. I think this is just my lip, to be honest. But there, look. Nothing. And it's not coming off. So far, so good. 5 hours later, and it still looks good. So, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, I know it's like a hot mess, but it's at the end of the night. It is 11:32 at night. And I said I wasn't going to be wearing this lipstick for too long, but I've been wearing it for almost 10 hours. I think 10 hours actually, practically 10 hours. I didn't think I was going to be wearing this lipstick for that long, but here is the final look. As you can see, it did go away here, but I will say that for dinner I had a sausage sandwich, and you know, because you know sausage has oil, like it just has oil around it. I think that's what broke up the lipstick. But I think that if I wouldn't have had the sausage, if I would have something else, like maybe chicken or something, I don't think it would have been a big difference. I don't think it would have come off like this. But hey, for 10 hours, I mean, you can still see color there. Like, it's not like completely rubbed off. Like, I go like this. Like, it's not coming off. Nothing. So I'm ready to take this makeup off. I'm ready. Like, I'm just gonna It does come off pretty easy. If I look tired, because I am tired. My son just fell asleep. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, maybe like 5 minutes ago. I like the formula. It doesn't like really dry. I didn't feel my lips dry at all. Like, I didn't feel like they were dried out, which I normally do have dry lips. I usually have cracked lips. But with this, it didn't feel dry at all. And so I really do like it. And that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.